Hello, this is Beth Reed, and I am speaking to you from School Health. From our brand new School Health warehouse. We were very excited to work with Alpine. Originally, School Health was in a building in Hanover Park that we had been in since 1993. It was getting a little tight, and the systems weren't so great. So we decided we were going to move to something new. And this is what we came up with, what you're looking at right now. You're looking at our new packing stations. We started off a little bit looking at our bins. We've got way more space. We've got areas in the packing station where we can get things set up, and this is great. It's also a great opportunity. We used to have to stop the line constantly because there was only so much space for people to pack. So now we've got much more space in our packing. We have much more vertical space in this building, and we're very excited about that. You can also see now what you're looking at is our receiving. We were able to separate out our receiving docks and our shipping docks, which will be coming onto the screen in just a minute. So these are all things that were a huge benefit to School Health by building a new building. What we needed from Alpine was a plan how to slot. How do we best take all of our products from our original building and move them into this building? Note from the owners, this wasn't our original building that I'm talking about. It's the original building for myself, but it was our building that we had from 1993 on. One of the really cool things about this building is that we were able to get LEED certification for this. We are standing here on a day that is disgustingly muggy outside. We're in a warehouse that you would think would be disgustingly muggy, but it is not. The airflow in this warehouse is comfortable for the most part. Maybe a little bit less comfortable than an office environment, but it is relatively comfortable. You do see those giant fans up at the top that help to circulate the air, and the way that the windows and the building itself are set up helps with airflow, which we've all learned in the last year with COVID. Airflow and ventilation are critical. We were in great shape from a School Health standpoint going into the pandemic. We did not have to shut down because we're an essential service, and we could provide a safe environment for our employees because the ventilation in this building is so good.